Hello again, welcome back to my Creative African Cooking channel. In today's video, I'm coming up with the second episode of my Bulgur Wheat series. So this is the broken Bulgur Wheat that I used in my previous video, which is the Bulgur Wheat porridge. Today, I'm coming up with my Bulgur Wheat jollof recipe. So this is the whole Bulgur Wheat, and the other one was the broken one that I used for the Bulgur Wheat porridge. Alright, so this is the episode 2 of my Bulgur Wheat series, and this will be the Bulgur Wheat jollof. Okay, so yes, let's talk through the ingredients and then get started. So here I have 2 cups of whole Bulgur Wheat, 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, 2 medium size of onions, a pinch of salt to taste, 2 Scotch bonnet peppers or habanero peppers, 1 tin of peeled tomatoes or plum tomato. You can also use chopped one if that's what you have available, and 1 large onion sliced. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste or tomato puree. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning, and a teaspoon of ajwain seed. Okay, so in my blender, I'll add my veggies, my peeled tomato or plum tomato, and then the ajwain seed. I'll then add a little bit of water and then blend it into a smooth paste. After blending that, I'll then bring my saucepan or my pot to my cooker. I'll turn on the heat on a medium, okay, medium heat always. I'll then add my olive oil. Next, I'll add my onions and then leave the onion to fry in the oil for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will then add my tomato puree. Give this a good stir and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I will then add my blended veggies. Give this a good stir and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I'll then give this a good stir. Add my vegetable seasoning and my salt. Give it a good stir and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will then add my washed Bulgur Wheat. Give this a good stir. Then leave this to simmer for about 2 minutes before adding my water. Yeah, at this point I'm going to add water. So I'll be adding 4 cups of water to this. Give it a good stir. Cover it and leave it to cook on a low heat for about 30 minutes. I don't want to rush this, okay? I want this to take its time to cook nicely. Right, so after 30 minutes, this is how my bulgur wheat is cooking. It's actually cooking very nicely, and yes, gradually we are getting there. I'll give this a good stir and cover it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, my bulgur wheat jollof is ready. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. Yes. I'll give this a stir and then cover it for another 5 minutes. I want it to be crunchy, so I'll leave it for another 5 minutes. All right, after 5 minutes, now my jollof is ready to be served. This is it. This is so healthy. This bulgur wheat is very healthy and it's good for losing weight as well. Here I have my bulgur wheat jollof. Fried fish. I am going to also have this with any meat or fish of your choice. Now guys, remember we are still on the bulgur wheat series, so do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell, as there are recipes coming on the bulgur wheat series. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.